Although we had a great time in Kentucky, things just didn't go our way. It was time to head back to Hunt, Missouri for a few days before the rifle season.
Keith failed. We got all the way to the stand, and he realized that he forgot the most important thing, his bow. So he had to walk all the way back to the four-wheeler to get his bow. While I'm sitting here enjoying this breeze. I got a laugh out of it.
Squincher Outdoors would not be possible without the support of these great companies. The Resource Center for Insurance and Financial Solutions. Jim Butler Centralia, where Squincher Outdoors buys all our trucks. Rustic Timbers Furniture for home and office. Mossy Oak Properties. Find your happy place. Vexus Boats. Outfitting your dream your way. Lily's Landing. Branson's top resort and marina. Jewel, the jewel in the crown of champion anglers everywhere. Big Creek Ducks and Bucks for your Arkansas outdoor experience. Hot Shot Archery. Accuracy defined. Magnus Broadheads. Quality with a lifetime guarantee. Vortex Optics. Closing the distance. Spartan Cameras, so you don't have to be there. HHA Sports. American made, family owned. Dominant Strands, our choice for premium custom bowstrings. Elvish Tack E-Tack Light, the best sight light in the world. Trophy Image, animal nutrition you can trust. Dare Construction, where you can dare to dream. And of course, our friends at Squincher, hydration that works. After seeing several good bucks across the bean field working a scrape, Travis and I hung a new unconventional set right in the hot zone for that next evening.
How many deer we've seen so far?
All right, we got Travis here with me, my good luck charm. We hunted the 7th, killed one last year. Didn't pan out, it was 80-something degrees. It is again today, but there's a cold front moving in. The wind has switched to the west, gradually making it to the north. And it's only 3:30 and we've seen 3 small bucks already, so we made a move. Last night we saw 3 different shooters that were within 15 feet of this tree. So right after my hunt this morning, I slid over here. We did a little, we had to get creative. We didn't want to take other stands down, so I'm in my saddle. And we actually climbed up and we got Travis and a climber sitting in the same tree. So, but I like our chances. We're in a great spot, just a little bit unorthodox, but I'm feeling really good. How about you, Travis?
Man, I tell you what, this is different. It was odd, all the noise we made setting up, and to have a deer already on us within a couple minutes. I mean, I feel like our chances are pretty good tonight.
Well, anyway, we are ready to go, and we've been Tony and I hunted real hard in Kentucky last week and didn't have much luck, and you know, it's already November 8th, so it's about time we get something on the ground.
Well, these does got to come in heat. They have to. It's a necessity.
Yeah. So, all right, we're gonna kick back here. I'm gonna shoot some distances with my Vortex rangefinder. Make sure that I know what I'm doing if the buck shows up.
As luck would have it, the only buck that showed up on that extremely windy night ended up about 60 yards behind us.
Well, guys, I can't believe it's already November 9th, and we've had the weirdest weather. November 6th, 7th, and 8th, it was 78 to 82 degrees. Nobody was killing anything. Nobody was seeing anything. But yesterday we had a cold front come through, and it's beautiful this morning. 40 degrees, like 2-mile-an-hour breeze. There should be bucks chasing everywhere. Not so much. But this time of year, you can be sitting here and thinking, man, it's the worst day ever, and then 30 seconds later, there's deer running all around. So you just got to stick it out. We got today, tomorrow before rifle season starts, so it's crunch time now. If I'm going to kill one with my bow, I better get it done today. Whew. Come on, deer.
This big Tom was tempting Tony, but lucky for him it was rut time and Tony was only focused on one thing. While Tony patiently waits for his buck, let's go back to my tree.
Whew. Well, guys, it's November 10th, last day of bow season here in Missouri, and the bucks are chasing today. Everywhere I look, I see a buck chasing. I had my target buck, our biggest buck that we have on camera, 60 yards away this morning. Didn't get any video of him. He was chasing a doe on the other side of the fence, and he ran her about 500 yards. There's a doe right there. It's already 9 o'clock, and every time I look up, I see a deer somewhere, so I have a feeling this is going to be an all-day sit today and seeing if I can get lucky on the last day. Keith's been in some action this morning also. We're just waiting for the right one. Got to just get lucky. Somebody gets lucky every day. It just doesn't seem to be one of us this year. But, all right, it's cold. I'm going to settle back in.
Every year, Tony and I set the bows aside for a few days for the Missouri rifle season. This is something we've done together since childhood. There's just something different about that opening day.
Well, here we go, guys. It's the day that a lot of people in Missouri live for. November 11th, 2023, Missouri rifle season opener. Man, it's been a pretty eventful morning for Keith and I both. I've probably seen 5 bucks and probably one nice 160 10-pointer. Of course, it was at the other end of the field, standing under my other tree, and then it cut across the field and didn't give Keith a shot either. So we're having some action. We're having some fun. I think this is at least the 40th year in a row that I've rifle hunted without missing an opening day. So that's blessed. I'm blessed that I've been able to do it that long and still doing it and still enjoying it, even though it is a long sit when you sit all day. But I'm going to nestle back here. It's 10:30. It's kind of quieted down. Heard a few shots this morning, and it's kind of calmed back down. I haven't heard a shot in quite a while. The deer yesterday, the last day of bow season, was crazy. They were just chasing everywhere. It seems like it's subsided a little bit today, and I don't know if that's from all the people moving around or what, but lots of deer. So I'm going to just keep staring and keep waiting, and hopefully one of these times will be my turn. Usually if you sit long enough, you get a turn. You just got to make it count. And it's not too cold out today. It's beautiful.
Squincher Outdoors closed captioning is proudly brought to you by Jewel Bait Company, the jewel in the crown of champion anglers everywhere. Make sure you join us on the next episode of Squincher Outdoors as our patience is about to pay off.